Hey everybody, it's Kim, and I came out to my trailer, and I remembered I need to finish these up. These are my candy box junk journals, and Creative Crafticality, I'll leave a link to her video, was my inspiration. This is not my own idea, but I took it on and kind of made it my own. So I came out here yesterday and started work. I got here and I was like, what was it I was working on? It seems so long ago. I was only gone a little over 2 weeks. You'd think I was... Anyway, my little brain doesn't handle that well. So I went ahead and finished up. This is the one I finished the cover for. I need to sew the signatures in. These cute. And that's using vinyl clings for your window. And I just use my artist tack. That doesn't help much, but it's got the bumps on it, and you can kind of see the glue bumps. And I put some pom-pom trim and some stickers from Dollar Tree. Spook it up. This is the pink, what was that called? Photo Play. I don't think I have the name of it. Anyway, Photo Play, and it was this. I cut some cards apart, and behind there I put some vellum. And then this one I did little glue or little clay pieces that I got at Michael's. Let's see, and just put them on there. And I think I'm going to put little, yeah, here they are. So I just took them individually and glued them on. I thought that turned out cute. And there are some patches that I got at Michael's. And I just put a double-sided, but they can be pulled off and used and ironed on if moms and dads choose to. There's a coloring page. And I had just gotten a Halloween jumbo coloring book from Dollar Tree. I made these My Creative Time. And then I got some of these little books. I put a band here and then put a little book from Dollar Tree. There's another vinyl cling. And in this is a picture that they can fold out in color if they want. And there's Forever My Boo. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I had so much fun. And then there's this pocket, and that's vellum. Or tissue paper, rather. And there's the broom for the witch that can be used. Spooky vibes. That stuff was from... Sorry. I'm at the trailer, so I don't know. Me and lighting. So that's from Michael's. And then in these, I just cut apart without taking the sticky off little stickers they can play with. There's another vinyl cling, another vinyl cling. And this one, I cannot find this. I put it somewhere yesterday. I had it yesterday. But whatever. So I found this. I really like how it turned out anyway. Something different. And these are just handles from paper bags. And this is a paper that I had in my stash from last year, I believe. Yeah. So I think these are going to be so fun to gift to them. Here's another one. Now this one I thought, I debated, but I think this is cute. This little puffy and goes over where it says Sour Patch. And each one I put some paper on the back. And that's from My Creative Time. Okay. So on this one I put some little stickers these are from Michael's, and I believe that's Dollar Tree. And then this is Dollar Tree. I've shown this before. It's a cupcake holder. I just cut it apart and made it work for this. And there's another cling. And then this cute little paper I'd printed on my printer. And then I colored this. I kind of regret that. I should have left it for them, but whatever. Boo to You. And this is a paper I had made, just colored it up. And then I went ahead and put some stickers in there. And Enter If You Dare. Cute. So just Michael's, and there's a little... This is a band tuck spot. So there's that in there. And there's the ghost tucked in. And there's another cling. And some stickers in there. And some Dollar Tree and Michael's stickers. There's another patch. So they each get 2, I believe. I worked it out. And then there's that. Goes into this little corner piece. And this one I added this to it as well from Dollar Tree. This is another cling and another cling. So I just think these are going to be so fun. I can't wait to give them. And then on the back of the cover of this one, I put the card, and I just went ahead and cut that apart. So I think that's a Dollar Tree card. So each one is different, which is good because I made this from my creative time. A little fairy girl. Put some bats on there. The bats actually came out of here. This one doesn't feel as full. I may have to. This is a bag. And stickers. There's a patch. And then in here is Trick or Treat. And then the coloring. There's the little book. They each get a booklet. And there's that. I feel like I need to add more to this one. So that's that one. So yeah, very, very fun. Go over to Creative Crafticality. She shows how she makes them. And yeah, I just wanted to share these. But yeah, I went ahead and bought. So here's the pom-pom trim I used on one of them. And I got this. So yeah, I'm out crafting at it's actually supposed to get up to the 70s today. So it's very nice out here. Let me give you something to look at as I am around. But yeah, these are just so much fun. And this would be cute if you got a Christmas one. That would be fun too. But yeah, here's the sticker book that I used, I bought. I cut apart some of these from the Happy Planner that I got on sale at Michael's. Oh, all kinds of goodies in here. Oh my goodness. But yeah, very fun to do. I just did one signature in each. I didn't want to make it, be too bulky. So, yeah. And I was able to add some sequins. I really feel like I need to add some stuff to, which one was it? I think it was this one. I feel like it's not, maybe it's this one. Yeah, this one. So I'll probably add to it, but you get the gist of what I made here. So very fun. So yeah, check them out. Make your own. They're very fun. All right, guys, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.